finished breakfast. Everybody's getting dressed. I haven't gotten dressed yet. I see him. I'm still waiting on my sister to finish the front of my hair. It's only a little bit left. But yeah, I'm about to take some pictures of the kids before they get dirty. Y'all, we're out here on our balcony. Look at the duckies. So this neighborhood is built on a golf course. So yeah, this is called Myrtle Golf Club. And it's just a whole bunch of condos, pools, a little lake with a little fountain. Alright, y'all, let me show you the kids' outfits of the day. Araya has on her little lemon yellow skirt with her shirt and her cute little sandals. Raya, let me see. And she has on her little shades. And then Zay, y'all don't mind his hair. He needs a haircut, but he has a hat he's gonna put on. Come here, Zay, let me show your outfit. He has on a little Nike outfit with his blue Crocs and his blue sunglasses. And then there's yours. She's loving it too. And Alyssa, she has on her pink t-shirts, her shorts, and her purple Crocs. But this is not pink. This is more like a lavender. Yeah. So it matches her purple Crocs. And I look a mess, and I'm in a moo-moo. Hi, beautiful people. Welcome back to the vlog. So it is dark because we are parking. We just made it to the boardwalk. Here's Ben. Y'all haven't seen him. Say hey, baby. We are in the parking deck. We're finding a spot so we can head to the boardwalk and the beach, and I will pick up the camera when we get there. All right, y'all, we are out here. Okay. I don't know. Raya. There's my honey. Hey. What you doing? We are out here. Out here. We are waiting on my sister and my mama. They are taking forever.
Who told you? Daddy, right?
All right, there's mommy and sissy. Finally, everybody grab your hand, grab your partner's hand so we can move on with our lives. Who's my partner? He's your partner. Xavier's his partner. Y'all like my sandals? I'm greasy. Ray's getting some money from the ATM. Me. Oh, thank y'all for waiting for us. Okay. Yeah, we didn't take a picture. We didn't take a picture with the real. You did? Yeah. Okay. They're all doing single use. Xavier said he was gonna get it for them. Yeah, they choose the color. Where is she? Oh, you wanna get them?
I guess hold your hand still. Do not move. Do not move, buddy. Okay. Hold them still. What color you want? Huh? Red? Okay. Step down, go to the other side. He'll color you. How old is he? How old?
Babe, record him.
How old? 3, okay.
Babe. Record him. Don't move.
I got him. Come right here. Do not move. Okay, buddy? Do not move.
Down, please.
Do not move. Do not move. Do not move. Do not move. You did good. Do not move. Do not move. Hey, babe. You need to come over here.
Don't move. Where's Araya and Zay? Where's Araya? You gotta hold her. You have to hold her hand because she does her own thing. What? Mom, you got Raya? Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna get Raya and Zay just a lollipop. They're not getting a bag of candy. Can you grab them? Raya, look. You want this? Oh my God. Wow. That's a lolly. Oh no, we got them these. That's a jawbreaker.
It is?
Yeah. You want that? Don't open it yet. We gotta pay for it. I ain't even got no mask. Nobody does. I don't know what they got going on here. It's really not packed though, which is good. It's not packed like usual. Don't open it yet, Araya. You gotta wait. Let's go buy your lollipop. Kids got their lollipop. Bacon. What is that? That's good. That's bacon. That's good. Bae got his bag of candy. I didn't get any candy. Kids got their lollipop. And we're about to head across the street to the beach. This is bacon. Mom, look at that. Well, and this is bacon French fries and ketchup. But bacon might be good though. I don't know. Churros. And look at the line. on, y'all, to the car. Hold on, Alicia. All right, y'all. So we have left the beach and the boardwalk. Obviously, we're trying to make it to the pool. The inside pool closes at 5 o'clock. We do have an outside pool, but it's only 70 degrees. It's really not hot. I mean, the sun is shining. It's pretty, but it's windy. It's not really that hot weather to be in an outside pool. But the outside pool is open. So yeah, we just stopped to get us some lunch. I'm a little irritated because it's taking a while. But we went to stopped at this place, Boardwalk. We've never been here. We're just waiting for our food. So yeah, I will pick the camera back up when we get it and when we get back to the Airbnb.